Honda Racing Corporation, HRC, has finally released the long-awaited production rally bike, the CRF450RX Rally. This model is a replica of the factory machines ridden by stars like Brabec and Adrien van Beveren in the Dakar Rally. For independent riders or privateers dreaming of factory-level rally performance, this is a rare opportunity worth celebrating. Honda has dominated the global rally scene in recent years through the Monster Energy Honda Rally team. This success is backed by the development of their championship-winning rally machine, which has been continually refined into one of the best bikes on the Dakar stage. With this new production model, Honda has opened the door for privateers to experience cutting-edge technology that was once exclusive to factory teams. This motorcycle is purpose-built for competitive rallying, featuring advanced technology and standout features. One of its highlights is the Rally Tower, designed to facilitate navigation while maintaining ergonomics and ensuring the rider's movements are unhindered. The fuel tank system, with a total capacity of 36 liters, 2 front tanks and 1 rear tank, enables extended range without frequent refueling, perfect for long-distance racing or desert expeditions. The reinforced aluminum twin-tube frame ensures exceptional durability on extreme terrains, while the rally-tuned suspension delivers both comfort and stability at high speeds. Additionally, protective guards shield vital components, ensuring reliability in the toughest conditions. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a 450cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, adapted from Honda's CRF450RX Enduro model, but modified to meet the demands of rally racing. Its power delivery is complemented by a 6-speed transmission, offering top-end speed for long straights and precision for technical sections. Enhanced intake and exhaust systems further boost the engine's output, making it a formidable machine in any rally environment. Only 50 units of this exceptional motorcycle will be produced, and they will be distributed through Honda's European partner in Italy, Red Moto. With a guide price of $35,000–$40,000, this limited edition bike is geared towards serious competitors aiming for podium finishes in international rally events. Honda's latest offering is a game-changer for privateers seeking factory-level performance in rally racing. Its robust build, powerful engine, and rally-specific features make it a worthy contender for any serious rider. If you're passionate about rallying, now is your chance to own a piece of Honda's legendary racing heritage.